In this video, I'll walk you through the new updates and features in the Conversation tab. Let's get started. After logging into your account, head over to the Conversation tab. Let's look at the folder structure on the left. Team Inbox shows all conversations coming into your system, across the board. My Inbox is specific to the user who's logged into the sub-account. Next up, Internal Chat. This replaces tools like Slack and keeps your internal team convos in one place. You'll find Unread and All Conversations here. To start a new conversation, hit Start Conversation. You'll get the option to send a direct message. Select the contact and send away. If you need to send a group SMS to contacts, you'll need to have Lead Connector set as your SMS provider. If it's connected, you'll be able to send group texts with ease. Now, if you're using the internal chat feature, this is designed exclusively for communication between your team members, meaning only users within your sub-account can be included. You won't be able to add external contacts or leads here. To start a conversation, simply scroll through the list of users, select the team members you'd like to include, and then click on Start Chat. This creates a private thread where everyone added can exchange messages instantly. Great for quick updates, collaboration, or ongoing internal discussions. It's fast, focused, and eliminates the need for third-party tools like Slack for internal messaging. Want to stay in the loop with conversation notifications? Here's how you set it up. Go to Settings, My Staff, then edit the profile of the user. Now go to the notification settings of that user. Under Conversation Notifications, you'll be able to set the alerts you need for the user. And that's it. Now you know how to use the new features inside the Conversation tab. For further information, visit our support portal or reach out to us at connectapulsegrowth.io.